Naturally, we talk so much about testosterone, the energy, the drive, the strength it gives men. But few people know about a tiny enzyme quietly working behind the scenes, turning that precious testosterone into something else. Estrogen. Yes, men have estrogen too. And when it builds up too high, it can affect your mood, your stamina, your confidence, and even your performance in bed. So, what enzyme are we really talking about? What does it do to a man's body? Can we stop this enzyme from carrying out the conversion? If yes, how? Which natural foods can help block it safely and without synthetic pills? That's where the blockers come in. They can naturally protect your testosterone and bring your hormones back into balance. What are they? How do they work? And how do they help boost male sexual health naturally? That's what you're about to find out in this video. Just stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because this channel is all about helping you take charge of your health, one natural discovery at a time. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice or a prescription. If you have hormonal or sexual health problems, talk to your healthcare provider before using any supplement or herbal remedy. Let's start with the basics. What is aromatase? Aromatase is an enzyme found in your body, in the liver, fat tissues, brain, and even in the testicles. Its job is to convert testosterone, your male hormone, into estrogen, which is more dominant in women. Now, men need a little bit of estrogen for things like bone health and brain function. But when there's too much aromatase activity, your body starts losing testosterone faster than it can make it. That's when things change. You may notice low energy, less desire, fat around the belly, and even erectile issues. The science is simple. When testosterone drops and estrogen rises, a man feels weaker, slower, and less confident. So how do aromatase blockers help? Aromatase blockers, or aromatase inhibitors, simply stop or reduce that conversion process. They make sure your body keeps more of its natural testosterone instead of letting it turn into estrogen. By doing so, they help restore your hormonal balance, improve sperm production and fertility, strengthen libido and erection quality, and support overall energy and performance. In short, they help you feel like yourself again. Now let's talk about how they work. Their mode of operation is quite direct. They target the aromatase enzyme, also known as CYP19A1, and block its activity. The result is better hormonal balance, improved sperm quality, and a sharper sense of vitality. Now, let's look at some of the best natural aromatase blockers that science and tradition both support. The good news is that they come in the form of food. First on the list, nettle root. Nettle contains compounds that naturally block estrogen receptors and reduce aromatase activity. It also helps lower SHBG, meaning more testosterone stays active. This simple plant supports prostate health too, making it a double win for men. Next, maca root. Maca, a Peruvian root, is known for boosting stamina and fertility, but few people realize it also has flavonoids that slow down aromatase. It helps maintain a healthy testosterone to estrogen ratio, supporting performance and energy. Another powerful one is grapeseed extract. It's rich in procyanidins, natural compounds proven to inhibit aromatase. This extract helps protect testosterone, supports better blood flow, and even helps men with erectile issues. Then we have chrysin, found in passion flower, honey, and bee propolis. It's a natural flavonoid that helps block aromatase and reduce excess estrogen. That's why it's often used in fertility and hormone balance supplements for men. Green tea extract, EGCG, also plays a role. It slightly lowers estrogen levels and provides antioxidant benefits that protect the testicles and blood vessels. And of course, resveratrol, found in grapes, berries, and peanuts, works as both an aromatase blocker and a powerful antioxidant, helping protect sperm and improve vascular health. Finally, probiotics. Yes, the good bacteria in your gut can help regulate hormones too. Healthy gut flora supports weight management. And since fat tissue produces aromatase, staying lean naturally reduces estrogen production. Detailed information on probiotics and building a healthy gut flora will be linked to this video. Together, these compounds not only support testosterone, they also reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect sperm health from oxidative stress. Now here's the big takeaway. Aromatase blockers help men preserve testosterone, limit estrogen, and support sexual vitality. They can make a big difference in energy, fertility, and confidence, especially as men age or face stress and poor lifestyle habits. If this video helped you understand how aromatase blockers work, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd love to learn more about natural ways to boost testosterone and male vitality, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell, because we've got more powerful science-backed videos coming your way.